when Prahlad was talking to his friends, he said, Tat prayaso na kartavyo yataha ayurvaya param na tata vindate kshemam mukunda charanambujam. His friends asked Prahlad, hey, what do you gain by chanting and dancing? Is it very useful, worshipping Vishnu, singing Vishnu's names? Look at the whole world, everybody is busy acquiring degrees, making a lot of money, building big houses, bungalows, and becoming wealthy millionaires and billionaires. What are you doing, Prahlad? Simply you are chanting and dancing to the tune of the holy name. So Prahlad is saying here, Tat prayaso na kartavyo yataha ayur vyayah param, he says. He says, my dear friends, if you work hard to become a famous materialist in this world, that only sucks your energy and that only makes you waste your time, he said. They were shocked, really? It's wasting our time and sucking our energy. Why do you say that? He said, you may acquire big degrees, IIT, IIM, you may hold a degree, collect the papers, but when your body dies, when the body is burned in the graveyard, your degree will be burned along with it. It's not going to come with you. On the other hand, you should collect the certificates of various Vaishnavas' recommendation. If you please the Vaishnavas, they are satisfied with you, and they pray to Krishna saying that this devotee is a wonderful devotee. He is so humble, so tolerant, so patient, so much service attitude. They are pleased with you. That recommendation will go after death also with you to the next life. Similarly, somebody may earn a lot of money. There are so many sejis who make a lot of money and stack the currency notes, and the currency note level becomes higher and higher. They are smiling at it. Oh, I have earned so much money. But Prahlad said, even if you have a very stout bank balance, what is it like? Like the honey bees are collecting honey from various flowers during the day, working very hard, and they accumulate huge quantity of honey in the honeycomb. But one day a farmer comes with a fire torch and drives away the honey bees and takes all the honey and goes away. Similarly, if we accumulate money, maintaining a big bank balance, at the time of death we will leave behind and go. It's not going to come with you. You are not going to enjoy that money. Somebody else is going to enjoy that money. Why to accumulate money and be happy foolishly, which is not going to be yours? You are not going to enjoy. He asked them. Then what should one accumulate? One shouldn't accumulate money, because we say money is honey. Whole world is after money. But Prahlad said, you should chant the holy names and count that money, which is called Chintamani, with the bead bag. Vicharyani vicheyani vichintyani punaha punaha. Rupa Goswami Pad in Padyavali in one verse says that, my dear Lord, just as a Sejji counts the money and he stacks it and he smiles at it happily, similarly let me count more and more names of yours, and as the rounds increase, let me smile happily. Because this Chintamani, Nama Chintamani Krishna's, the more you count the holy names, the more you are heading towards Vaikuntha. You are putting forward steps, the more you chant. So this money is going to come with you even after death. When the soul leaves the body behind, at the time God will check how many malas you chanted, how serious devotee you were. Let us count this money, he said. Similarly, there are people who work hard 20 years, 25 years paying EMI, and then they built a house, a bungalow, and they stand in front of the house and say, this is the bungalow I built. This is my house. And next week they pass away. Because the house is not going to come with them. Because the house is exactly like the children building sandcastles in the ocean beach. You make sandcastle, it's a child's play. It will be washed away by the waves of the ocean. Or even if it is not washed away, you will leave it behind and go. Similarly, people build big colorful houses even in villages nowadays, spending lakhs of rupees, but it's not going to come with us. It's like a sandcastle, isn't it? Then what house should we build? You see our Pulla Reddy, he gave land for this temple, where this beautiful temple is erected. So Lord Krishna says in the scriptures, anybody gives a piece of land for building a Krishna temple where people can come together and sing the holy name and dance and water tulasi and worship Lord Krishna, for that person Lord says, I build a house for you in Vaikuntha. You build a house for me here, I build a house for you in Vaikuntha. Similarly, we have Mahendra Vijayavargi who gave a beautiful temple at Attapur. He made the temple in 10 crores and he gifted the temple to Srila Prabhupada. So you make a house for the Lord in this world, Lord will make a house for you in the spiritual world. Or if somebody opens the door of his house and invites the Vaishnavas to come and play the instruments and sing the holy name, speak Krishna Katha and distribute prasadam to the visitors, and worship, do puja for Lord Radha, Shri Radha and Krishna, then that whole house becomes sanctified. In this way, opening the house means opening the heart to the Lord. Those who open their heart to the Lord, then Lord will open His heart for us and take us back home, back to Godhead. So, therefore Prahlad told his friends, Tat prayaso na kartavyo, don't waste your time working hard in material progress, my dear friends. Yataha ayur vyayah param, it simply sucks your lifespan and wastes your time, he said. Modern man has the opposite philosophy. He says, work hard and make money, that's all. He is number one fool, because he doesn't know these are all going to be taken away. Then his friends asked, if you don't work hard in material life and make money, then what is the goal of our life? Then he says, Na tata vindate kshemam mukunda charanam bhujam. But if you practice Krishna consciousness daily, he said, you will attain mukunda charanam bhujam. Mukunda means Krishna, charana means lotus feet, ambujam means lotus. So you will attain lotus feet of Krishna and service to Krishna in the spiritual world for all time to come. Tyaktva deham punarjanma naiti mameti sorjana. Krishna says, if anyone who knows the divinity of my appearance and activities, upon leaving the body, he does not take rebirth in this material world. He comes back to spiritual world and eternally engages in my loving service. So therefore, whenever we are watering tulasi or we are chanting the holy name or hearing the Srimad Bhagavatam class or taking darshan of the deities, you should know that your bank balance is increasing. The imperishable golden bank balance which is going to follow you after death, that is increasing. On the other hand, if you are building a house or just collecting money, going for a big IT job and making big millions of dollars in America, people are making, they are thinking they are very successful. The separating sword of time will come and strike them down one day. They will not even know where they are going. They are simply heading into illusion. So Srila Prabhupada opened our eyes to see this reality. The more we can see the spiritual reality, material, superficial illusion will go far away. And therefore we should chant the holy name daily, because chanting holy name attentively, sincerely, prayerfully, in a helpless way, it gives clarity of vision to see the truth for what it is, and also see the futility of material success for what it is. We will be able to see the difference between the two. And that is made possible by the chanting of the holy name daily. Harinam Prabhu ki. Let's offer our humble obeisances unto all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord who are just like desert trees, who are ocean of mercy, full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Ananta koti Vaishnava vrindaki, Vaishnava Thakur Srila Prabhupada ki, Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki.